Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to video call on Gmail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Gmail official website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and use your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your inbox page. Now, if you wish to make a video call with any person that you are connected with on your Google account, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner which says Google Apps. Now, from the Google Apps menu, go ahead and click on Chat. You will now be taken into the Google Chat page. Now, once you're inside the chat page, you will see various different contacts that you have added onto your Google account. Just hover over to any account with which you want to make a video call and then tap on their conversation. From the conversation page, you will find the camera icon at the top right corner, and when you hover over to it, you will find the start a video call option. Just tap on this option and now this will begin a video call to this contact on your Gmail. You will first need to tap on allow microphone and camera access, and once you tap on this and then tap on the allow button, you will be able to make your video call. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make video calls on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.